filmmaking purposes because real raindrops are too small. They're pretty much invisible on camera, can't be seen. So these raindrops are bigger.